This is the HEST Dually, our double mattress designed with flat, dry sleeping surfaces in mind, like vans, trucks, campers, and truck beds. The Dually comes in 8 different sizes to fit various rigs, ensuring a comfortable sleep for 2 or more. We also offer the Dually Extend for those looking to maximize their sleeping area when space permits. Using the Dually is a breeze. Simply position the mattress using the convenient handles and unclasp the 2 black clips that hold the Dually in stow mode. Let the mattress unfold, and voila! You're all set to dive onto a clean, comfortable surface and drift into dreamland. No need to worry about the crack. The seamless design is nearly invisible, and the high-performance foam aligns perfectly to keep your body supported, whether you're resting solo or sharing with a partner who tosses and turns. Put the Dually away, simply fold in half. Clip the black clips and carry to your car or garage. We recommend storing the Dually in a cool, dry location when not in use. Sleep well!